Hello friends, in this video I will show you that how to change PHP version on your Windows. So let's say in my Windows, if I open command prompt and if I type php-v, it says the version is 8.2. Okay, so for now I am using XAMPP. So for upgrading the PHP version in the XAMPP, first of all stop your all the service. Let's close it, and in the first of all open the Google. Okay, in the Google search for PHP download. Okay, now click on the first link. Now click on the release binaries for Microsoft Windows, and here you can see there are multiple types of options, but we will need to select the thread safe. Okay, so now click on this zip button and click on start download and click on yes, and just okay. So as you can see, file got download. If I just open my folder, I need to extract the folder. Alright, you can see the PHP files are here. So you just need to just copy the files, just select all the control files by control A. Now go to this PC and go to your C drive where your maybe XAMPP is installed. Go to XAMPP, and from here you need to find the PHP folder. Right now here just right click and make sure your XAMPP is already stopped. Okay, if any service is on, there may be crash, or maybe if you have any types of third-party PHP software like maybe one or what type of Laragon in anything. Okay, so just close all the service. Now you just need to paste all the files here and click on the replace the files in the destination. As you can see, file got changed. Now let's close all the things. Let's close the CMD as well. Now if I open my CMD and hit enter, and now if I type php-v, you can see the version is 8.4, right? So successfully we have changed the PHP version. Now open your XAMPP and click on start. You can see our XAMPP is started. Click on MySQL. That you can see our MySQL is also started. All right. Now click on localhost and say I type PHP my admin. Hit enter. You can see our PHP my admin also already here. Okay. If I let's say click on simply localhost and hit enter. Sorry, local host and just hit enter. You can see this is the local host dashboard, and if I click on PHP info, it says PHP 8.4. So in this way you can easily install your you can upgrade your PHP version in XAMPP. Thank you guys for watching this video. I will see you in the next time.